What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a product review of the Anker 3-in-1 Cube. Now, had this for a couple of days, actually about a week and a half, and this actually replaces my old Anker charger, which is this right here. And the reason why I switched from that to the 3-in-1 Cube is because with iOS 17, you have a new mode known as standby mode, which if you've updated to iOS 17, basically turns your phone into a clock. Now, because of the older Anker that I have, I don't really have the ability to use that because it doesn't work. Now, in terms of with my Apple Watch, I can simply just raise that up right there, as you can see, just like that. And I can set my watch on there and I can put that in a standby mode because that's basically kind of what this does, is it puts it like in a standby mode. But for my iPhone, if I lay it down, it doesn't really work. But with the Anker 3-in-1 Cube, which is also MagSafe, it simply just raises up, and that's how that works. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just kind of go over some of the basic cool things that you can get, or that you can do with this in terms of what it looks like with the iPhone connected, as well as with the Apple Watch. So this was my old Anker charger. So simply I would just take my iPhone, set it on the charger, and then this would flip up, and then I would just simply just take my watch and simply do it that way. So the Apple Watch already had standby mode, but it needs to be standing up in order for that to work. So that worked perfectly fine in terms of how I had my Apple Watch in that, because I had it just sitting under my monitor. I could see that. Now with iOS 17 available and wanting to do your phone in standby mode, obviously this charger can't do that because I have no way of raising that. That is a fixed mount there. So that is why I got the Anker 3-in-1 charging cube. But to put that into perspective in terms of size-wise, that is the size of my Anker 3-in-1 cube as compared to my Anker just normal charger. As you can see, it's a much smaller, much more simpler format and less space on my desk, and has a much easier footprint. Otherwise, simply to just, if I wanted to put it in standby mode, this is obviously the spot where you would put your iPhone, and then you simply just lift up and you have it in standby mode, and that's pretty much it. Now if I wanted to also charge my phone at the same time, or my watch, again, there's a little tray right here. You push in, pull out. Again, you don't need to put your own Apple Watch charger on there. It's already one available. You simply just stick your watch on there as such, and again, it's magnetic, and that's it. And then it charges. And again, if you want to put your phone in standby mode while it's charging, you simply just like that, and then you just simply just lift up, and then that's pretty much it. Otherwise, you can also use it in a variety of different positions. I like to use it like this when I don't need standby mode. Simply just that, and then I just simply just raise up, or usually it's easy just to kind of raise it up, then do such. And then as you can see, I can see all the information that I need right there. If I want to do any quick text, I already have it right there, just like that, and I can simply just tap on it. And that is all there is to it. Now, yes, it is a little bit expensive for what it is, but for some of the things that you can do with it, it's small, it's compact, and obviously, yes, it's travel friendly. It's actually worth the money, which is why I bought it, because it does all this, and it's this size. Especially if you have a AirPod Pro or AirPod Pros 2, then you simply sit them in the back, and then there you go. And that just makes it, again, small and simple. And in terms of perspective of size, that's just my normal charging pad. This is going to be pretty much any wireless charging mat that you see. That's that. That is as small and as simple, all right there. And again, I'll have a link down below for this, as well as the other version of this. There's another version that you can get that's design-wise a little bit different, but does the same thing. So I'm going to give you my final review, or my final thoughts on the Anker 3-in-1 charging cube. And that is everything for the review on the Anker 3-in-1 Cube. Now, it is considered a travel charger, but really, it's a really good overall charger. So if you have updated to iOS 17, whether using the 10, the 11, the 12, the 13, the 14, the 15, this is something that would definitely be useful for that, because again, you just simply just mount your phone onto it, because it is MagSafe. You tilt it up, put your phone in sleep mode, tap on the screen, and there you go. Again, it is pricey at $150, but I really think that it's worth it considering what it is. And what you can do with it, it's small, it's minimum, it's compact. And again, if you need to charge up your Apple Watch, you simply just press on that, and then there you go. Now, they do have another version of this, which I'll have a link down below for both products. If you want to take a look at both of those, again, all you gotta do is just simply click on the link for this. Otherwise, I'm gonna thank everybody for watching this product review. And my name is Blank Appeal, the Apple Guy, and I will see you guys in the next video.